We were supposed to leave at 6 o'clock. It's going to be 7 now.
Hi everyone and welcome back. We're all on our way to Cochin. That's Nishi, the little one, Reina, Anamika, Namit, my bro, dad and mom.
Hi.
All of us are on our way to Cochin. This is perfect for 7 of us. There's 7 of us, including the little one. There's enough and more space for all the luggage and everything. The new one is coming out in December. But till then, this is perfect for a large family like ours, or if you would call our family large.
Why is that happening?
Because he's driving. Daddy, can we go slow?
Ayyo, parna, you know parna jaasti avadu. Still you have to do it.
People cross.
Yeah.
80, 60,
Both the sons are freaking out behind. We have left from Mysore and we are on our way to Kochi, and I think it will take around 8.5 to 9 hours. We will be there by around, say hi to Reina, and we should be there by 4:35.
What type of sandwiches are they?
They are cream cheese. Wow. Mayo and cucumbers. Wow.
Cucumbers. My favorite.
And this is Nishi special sandwich without butter and mayo. Plain sandwich. Anamika made.
You had to move out of Coimbatore.
The new flyover at Nanjangud over the railway
That's
crossing.
new, no, that's why. It's new, that's why it doesn't have any.
Doesn't have what?
We're going into space.
The map is not showing.
Oh, the map is confused.
We're going off.
Arey, you were supposed to go across a railway crossing. What happened? Where are you going? Stop.
It's the idiots on the side of the road.
Everybody is driving with you, Daddy. Time for us to freak. Oh, when Namit's driving. Namit's driving. Go slow. We have come to Arya Bhavan in Coimbatore for our lunch. Actually brunch. It's 12 in the afternoon. You get very good kottu parota, and their meals are also very nice. The vegetarian meals. It's a vegetarian restaurant in Coimbatore, and you get yum food. Their breakfast is nice, and lunch is also very good. And the kottu parota is here, and my phone is following the kottu parota because my phone is in love with food. This is my rice, curd, and potato fries, potato stir fries.
How's the food?
Nice. Simple and healthy.
Trying to make sure that her tummy doesn't get ruined.
That's Mummy's meals. See the variety of dishes. I usually don't take this because it's quite a lot for me to eat. The meal starts with the chapati, and that's a vada, paripu vada, dal vada. We have the dry. Mommy, is that chili? Sorry. This dish here is
With ice cream is here.
something new that we've never had before. It's got beaten rice and potatoes. This is gobi Manchurian. So if you have a huge appetite, definitely go for this huge meal at Arya Bhavan, Nagarkoil Arya Bhavan on Avinashi Road in Coimbatore. Done, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. Chalo. Come. So we sat in the AC room. This is the other space, dining area. which doesn't have AC. It's an open area, and it is so warm, so hot. So outside Arya Bhavan, you have this sweet shop. So every time we come to Coimbatore, we come here and buy some sweets. You get very good Mysore pa and different kinds of sweets and snacks. We have a huge parking area here. Unlike other places like Annapurna where you don't have parking at all, this place is quite easy. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and after lunch we have come to fill up AdBlue for the car. And after it's filled, I think it will take around 10 minutes, and after it's filled we will leave for Kochi. The Valiyar check post, which is the border of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. We are entering Palakkad district, and you can see the cameras.
See a flash of light, then here.
We have arrived at Nutmeg Riverside Homestay.
So we've just reached the Airbnb, and this is the view from the garden in front. This is the
Alua.
hotel or the Airbnb that we're staying at. It's a beautiful wood structure, stone structure.
This is
It looks
actually
gorgeous.
we've taken up a 3-bedroom apartment here,
Yeah,
and you don't have food here. That's the only downside.
yeah.
But you can order Swiggy and
Seems more like a
Zomato.
private place that has been built by a few investors or owners.
hey, that's not.
So the temple you will see right there, that's
That's a famous Shiva temple, Alua Shiva temple, where you have grand Shivratri celebrations, and that's the place that that was underwater during the 2018 floods. And then we also have an iconic location.
that
A
bridge you
you
see
see there.
right there. That bridge you see right there.
We'll see if
is
we can
from-
go up there. We will go
It's
up there.
from the movie Premam, and
Nivin
it's
Pauli's-
called the Premam Bridge.
It's 7 o'clock in the evening, and after checking into this beautiful place, I had a shower, and it's extremely hot here, so we sat in the AC for some time, and now we are going to Mummy's sister's house, which is in Kalamassery. So right now we are in Aluva in Cochin, and we're going to Kalamassery. There's a function tomorrow at her place, at Auntie's place. So we'll be going there to have dinner tonight, and then we'll come back here and crash, because it is so exhausting. The heat is killing us. We get out of this place. This is the view. It's so pretty. You can see that bridge that we saw in the evening. That's NH 544, the road that takes you to Coimbatore, and the main national highway that takes you to Calicut.
Which way do we go?
The rest of the state. It's a 3-bedroom apartment, 1 bedroom downstairs and 2 bedrooms upstairs with balconies and ACs in all the rooms. The bathroom's also decent, and they've kept it really clean. Oh, I'm dark. I'm invisible. I'm a ghost. Deepu! How's the heat, Deepu?
Not something I'm very happy about.
Same here.
It's very hot. If you'd rather sit in the air-conditioned room.
And do nothing. You can't step
But
out.
the place is beautiful.
The place is amazing. I think
Only
we should
if
come
this
here.
place was a hill station, it would have been.
So I think we should come here when it's not summer in Kerala, especially this part of Kerala, not the hill stations. The coastal areas get very hot during March, April and May. June it starts raining. It gets better, but not all that great compared to Bangalore or any other hill station. After meeting auntie, we have come out to have dinner. All of us are famished because we didn't have anything in the afternoon. So we found this place called Sultan Reedel to have dinner. Raina was also very hungry. So this is the first place we found. So we've come here. Some interesting desserts. ഒരു പൊറോട്ട ഇല്ലേ
Do it properly now. You see the chicken in it.
Yeah, this is the Al Faham.
You can't hear. because it's not-
This is Al Faham.
Korean beef.
Korean beef. That's chatti nechor.
Looks very nice.
Chatti nechor. This is chili chicken.
You say louder, Baba. You
Garlic naan. That's biryani. Chicken biryani. Chili chicken.